What a wonderful morning.
A wonderful day. Check out our view. It is currently almost 8 o'clock in the morning. Mom and me are early risers just to be able to enjoy most of our vacation on the beach. So we're going to be going around, going for a short walk, and then we're going to head to breakfast. Okay guys, so this is the pool area. You get vouchers from the reception to be able to enter the pool. And over there you have the beach. Alright guys, so this is the Reef Restaurant. This is where we had our dinner yesterday. And this is also the same place where we will be having breakfast. So let's check it out later. Alright guys, we were warned as well by the reception that it's jellyfish time. It's still January, so snorkeling rocky area and swimming area. Alright guys, so up front is our resort, which is the Kamayan Beach Resort Hotel. We have the parking area right over here. And right across there is the Ocean Park Adventure. Hi, Ma! Enjoying? Alright guys, so this is the entrance of the Ocean Adventure, Subic Bay. Dolphin beach encounter, you have sea lion encounter, you have a family experience, swim with dolphins. These are the prices. You can even dive with sharks, turtles, and jacks. Look who finally woke up. Good morning. Pancakes, morning. Morning. Alright guys, just finished our breakfast. It was a very simple breakfast. Their brewed coffee was really good. And now we're going to be heading back to the room. And then most probably later go for a bit of swimming in the ocean before heading to the city in the afternoon. Kayaking on the beach per hour, $450 or $600 per person. Or they have a paddleboard and bodyboard. These are the kayaks that they offer. This is our small Kubo that we rented for the day for 1,000 pesos. It's typical Filipino Kubo. Ta-da!
Dinky! Yeah! So my kids are swimming.
Kubo Kubo time. Cheers. Alright guys, GoPro Hero 5 is going to be tested now underwater. I hope all my footage won't be lost, destroyed. Let's see if we can find some fish.
So is it waterproof out of the casing?
Hello! Yeah, it's supposed to be 30 feet.
Okay.
So we shall see. So, chilling but in the ocean. Subic Bay. Ich hoffe, ich verliere die Kamera nicht. Alrighty guys, that was a nice swim. Water was excellent and the sand is just superb between my toes. So this was the restaurant which served breakfast, and that's also where we had our dinner last night. Here apparently this is going to be a stage. Don't know when it's going to be done yet though. This is called the tabo. Tabo. Filipino people use this for taking a shower. There we go. This here is our room. And now we're going to be heading out. Alex driving to Olongapo City. Going into a restaurant next called Gary's Grill. We are here at Gary's Grill and look what we found right next to it. It's the water sports station. They have banana boat, kayaking, even jet ski, parasailing. Which is ready. We were just called in. Thank you. Oh, alright, food is not here yet, but it's about to be served. Yay! Crab rice, crispy blah blah. Nihaw na pusit. Ooh, pork barbecue. Some vegetables and crispy pata. Thank you. Fish, crab rice, no, crispy pata, squid, guys, it's nighttime. Thank you. It was a good meal. We're so full, but it was really satisfying. Good morning, guys. Third day officially, out for a morning walk. Check out our view. Alex is about to join as well. Awake so early. It's around 7 in the morning. Yoga by the beach.
Say cheese!